Morning everybody, it's Dave down at the allotment. Now I've been down for a while because of the weather, so it's nice today, so managed to get down, so look at getting some work. I'm going to try and get a fence up over here, I'll show you in a minute. I'm just now waiting for Dano to come down, and then we'll look at getting a start. A few things I need to do, as well as tidy it up. So got today, hopefully tomorrow, get what as much as we can get done. So I'll keep you up to date what's happening. So see you soon. Okay, one of the things we're going to do today is this fencing. We're going to put along here. So we're going to have to put some holes in the ground, get as far here along here as possible. We might need some more. We might need to put some more stakes in, but then try leveling this off a bit more. This muck over here is going to go behind all that, and then we've got some black stuff to put out. So all we can do is see is what we can do, and I'll video as we go along at different parts. So see you soon. Right, up to now we've done up to there with the fencing. So a bit more to do, bits to chop off. I'll chop that off later because the wood's pretty damp. Go in there, and if we can't go up the top, and if we've got some spare wood, we've got a thing over there to fix. So that's where we're up to now. It's going in pretty good. Then we're going to try and get this area clear, and we've got the black stuff to put in, which is going to be fun. So back soon. Here we've put this fence up. We're trying to level this off as much as we can before we put the black down. We're moving this muck, putting it over there. We'll put some stones around the pond. It's like a temporary. They're not in properly, but it's just making it look a little bit neat. So idea what we're wanting to do. So when we've done a little bit more, I'll come back to you before I sign off. Okay, we'll be moving all that soil from there. And there's a little pond with some rocks around it now, looking smoked. We've done a little thing. We're backfilling it with soil from there. So that's got to be fixed in at the top there. A little gate there to get in there. This is all going to be turned over. The rhubarbs over there starting to grow. Apple tree there. So what we're going to do now is got a load of rubbish over there, get it tidied up, and get sorted, pack away, and be back down tomorrow. So I'll do some more videoing tomorrow, and then before I sign off, but then I'll get this put out over the weekend hopefully. So see you tomorrow. Hi, Dave here from DRD Allotments. What we're doing today is we're sorting this area out. That was full of bricks, which are over there, in there, behind there. So we've still got that little area to clear. Then what we're going to try and pull this muck over and get it level. So I've put a bit of wood down here to give a line. Because what I'd like to put in here is, once it's cleared and levelled, is apple and pear trees and that. So that was a pile of bricks, tarpaulin over the top. So this is what we're working on at the moment. It's took well over an hour to clear all these bricks. Still got some at the top to clear, and so we're gonna. Dano is just away doing a shop to get some drink. We're gonna get the rest of this cleared out, rake it up, and then start seeing if we can drag this muck around and level. And then we're going to do bits at a time, so to get this area up to that post down first, then move up and up and up. So, and so it's, you know, it's coming on slowly but surely. That's what we've done, as I say, with yesterday. We cleared some of that muck, so if we need it for over there, a little pond there. Hopefully next week I can get Gillian and Rob down with us next Tuesday, and start turning that. Well, it's not really turning it over, forking it, getting the grass off the top and all that. So what I like to do that is have that full of flowers, and then a rhubarb at the back. So we've still got work to do on the beds, but it's not planting yet, so I'm not worried about that at the moment. We just want to try and get this area sorted, because I've got some big membrane to put down here. So getting on. So I'll come back later and show you what else we've done. So bye for now. Hi everybody, this is where we've been working on. Got rid of a load of bricks, a few still to do up there, and we're sort of looking at levelling this off, so to make this tidy. So where we did have tidies, now got tarpaulin and all that lying on. So we're going to move. So, but got that done. We're going to come back next week, hopefully get more of it done. It's lovely down here. It's like being in a sun trap. It's like being in the middle of summer. Yeah, so right, well, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hopefully now that the spring's coming along, we'll hopefully get more videos out. So bye for now.